Hello friends, welcome back to ExpoHub channel. Yesterday in the previous video, we have seen what are different types of document. Let me show you, all these things we have discussed in the previous video where we have learned about structured document, unstructured document and semi-structured document. Extracting data from a structured document is quite easy, right? You have a key, for example, name, and beside that name is written. You have a phone as a label, beside that or below that phone number is written. So structured documents has a key and value, wherein the unstructured documents there is no may or may not be a key and value pair, right? So in such a case it becomes very important for us to understand how do I or what are the different methodologies that will be used to extract those data. Okay, so let's understand. When somebody will ask you what is document understanding, now you have gone through the entire chapter but you are not in a place to explain it. So what is document understanding? Document understanding is the ability, right? The Uipath document understanding is an ability or a technique or it's a process, whatever you call it. Using this ability or using this technique, we can extract data. So main purpose of document understanding is you extract data. That is only part of the document understanding, extracting the data. For example, you have used get text activity, you have seen, right? So you are extracting some data, right? Data scraping you have done, you are extracting some data. So extracting the data is part of document understanding. But there will be documents which are unstructured, semi-structured, paragraphs are written and you want to extract a meaningful data from that. How will you do it? So that's where document understanding will be using artificial intelligence to interpret information. So if I give you a paragraph, as a human being you read it and you understand what is the meaning and you find out a meaningful, right? You tell where is what is where, right? What is the meaning of what interpret meaning. So this requires artificial intelligence. Getting it? So extracting the data is very easy. You take a document and some data, this means phone number, this means this. So that is pretty easy task. But interpreting information from a paragraph, interpreting meaning from that, interpreting data from a scanned document, so interpret information. So this is what the whole meaning of document understanding. So document understanding is the ability to extract data, interpret informations and interpret meaning from that. So imagine a paragraph, if you give it to computer, will it understand what is it written? Big paragraph, it will not understand anything. It can read it, it can know where is what, where. But interpreting meaning is a human thing, right? A human can interpret a meaning. So that is what is being done using artificial intelligence, using machine learning, we do that. So that is where document understanding is very important. Not only extracting the data, interpreting information and interpret meaning. Okay, this should be pretty clear. Okay, so that way you can give an explanation if this question is asked anywhere in your interview or anywhere it is asked, what is document understanding? The document understanding is an ability to extract data, interpret information, interpret meaning using artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques. Okay, so this is understood. Now we will move on to the next one. So extracting the data. So first of all, before you interpret information, before you interpret what is the meaning of that information, you have to extract the data from a document. And document could be semi-structured, could be unstructured, right? So if it is, or it could be structured. So structured documents where it is pretty clear, key and value, name, beside that name, phone number, beside that phone number. Such documents, it is easy to go with a rule based. What is rule based? Rule based means you are using a data position, you are using an anchor, you are using get text, find element. So all those, very rule based. So it is using selectors, so it understand where is exactly what is there and what to be extracted, right? And it sits in a variable and you pass it and you use it. So these are very rule based and you have already done it using the selectors, right? Rule based. So we will learn a lot of things, but again that is a classic example, rule based. So it has a position, data position, it has a data variable, you are extracting that UI element, so lot get attribute, all of things, right? It's a rule based. So exactly that is what it is, right? Model based in the machine learning, when a paragraph is written, right, so you have to interpret meaning. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of this? So extracting the data using machine learning, right, pre-trained machine learning models. And so we will understand a little bit. So if you are not into machine learning, not to worry about it, you can still learn it. So don't worry that you have to first learn machine learning, then you should go to document understanding. Not required. So you can just continue with all these videos, you will understand, right? So semi-structured and unstructured data, that is where model based extracting the data is much more useful. Then the third thing comes is a hybrid model. So if you mix rule based and model based, then comes the hybrid data extraction method. Getting it? So these are what are the things that we have learned today? What is a document understanding? Extracting data, interpreting information, and interpret meaning is called document understanding, right? Is the entire package. And how it can be done? It can be done using a rule based methods, or it can be done using model based methods, artificial intelligence, machine learning, pre-trained model machine learning models, right? So using this we can do it. And the third option is hybrid, using both rule based and model based. So now I'm pretty sure you may not have got a complete understanding of it, right? As we progress in the videos, you will get more clarity onto all of this what I'm talking. So thank you so much for watching, and continue to watch this UiPath document understanding series. Thank you so much. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye bye.